The IntegraD Revenue Entry application provides oil and gas revenue verification with flexible reporting, options to aid oil and gas property owners in verifying they have been paid properly. Our system books income and deductions, identifies division order records with no income received, and updates information automatically. Let's take a look at the IntegraD Revenue Entry application. In the Revenue Entry application, under Master Files, you'll find the Division Order Maintenance file. This file is just like the paper document called the Division Order. It tells you who the purchaser is, the purchaser's ID number for that property, as well as it cross-references their number to the IntegraD property number. It also indicates whether this is direct income or income that needs to be distributed. It identifies the product code, whether we need to calculate severance taxes, and what type of interest you're receiving and the decimal of interest that you're receiving. After posting revenue to this division order, the system also tracks the last time that you've received income on this property division order. In Revenue Entry, the division order becomes a default mechanism to be able to default into entry the fields from the division order. Once you page down, you can see that the system has defaulted in the type of interest, the product, and your decimal of interest. When you hit Continue, the system also has the ability to tailor your entry screen by purchaser so that you may tailor into entry the fields that are presented on that revenue check by purchaser. Once you've completed adding your entries into your batch, you'll return back to the transaction scroll screen and choose the Edit button to produce the report as shown on the screen. This Revenue Entry Detail Edit will print all the items that have been entered into that batch and will do error checking for both warnings and errors. Warnings will say, take a look at this entry. If it's all right, it can be posted. If there is an error in this batch, it must be corrected before posting. Once you post your batches in Revenue Entry, if they're direct income batches, they will be posted directly to the General Ledger. If they're to be distributed, they will be sent down to the Revenue Distribution System for further processing. Also under Transaction Processing, you'll find the Division Order by Purchaser with No Income Received report. This report also works with the Division Order file to indicate which division orders have not received revenue. The reports in the Revenue Entry system can be written by production date or by accounting date. This is an example of the net sales report by property. You have the ability to select your date range, as in this case we selected 3 months, and you may also use the IntegraD Property Selector to choose the properties you wish to run this report. This report indicates the volume, the value, the production tax, the net income, and the price received. In the Revenue Entry application, you also have reports at the property level, or 100% reports. This is an example of the 100% report by purchaser. Again, you may choose your date range, as in this example only 1 month, and also have the ability to select either multiple properties or purchasers. Also in Revenue Entry, there are multiple 12-month analysis reports. This is an example of the report by property. The Revenue Entry application also has an accrual processing. The accrual processing has multiple methods and allows you to do accruals either by prior payment history or also by production. Enjoy the most flexible and comprehensive revenue entry and validation solution on the market. For more information, contact Avatar Systems today.